How to create a WeChat account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create WeChat account. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to create a WeChat account, these are the methods you need to follow up. First thing is, if you don't have the WeChat application yet, you can just go ahead and download it from the available app store from your device. Once that is done, all you need to do is open up the application into your device. You can just wait for the home screen to be loaded, where you should be getting a sign up option. So when you head over to the sign up page, in the bottom you can find login and sign up. Since we are creating an account, you can just go ahead and tap and sign up, and there goes an option that is via a mobile or via Facebook. So if you want to create your account using your mobile number, you can do it first option, but if you want to create your face using a Facebook account, you can use the second option. But now let's just go on with the manual process of phone number. So all you need to do in order to sign up is enter up your name in the first option right here. After that, your country from where you belong, and your phone number, your valid phone number, and you need to create up a password for yourself. Once that is done, agree to the terms and conditions of WeChat and accept and continue the process, and request a verification code. After the verification code is completed with the security verification, you just need to enable the services you want to access, and your account will be created on WeChat. So that is it. That is how you create up your WeChat account very easily following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.